Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most advanced AI technologies, the ChatGPT, and some unknown facts about it. Number 1. Did you know that ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer? It is a type of artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. Number 2. ChatGPT has been trained on an enormous amount of text data from the internet, including books, articles, and web pages. It can understand the context and generate human-like responses to a wide variety of questions. Number 3. Did you know that ChatGPT has over 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models in existence? This massive amount of parameters allows it to understand language in a very sophisticated way, which enables it to generate more accurate and coherent responses. Number 4. Another interesting fact about ChatGPT is that it has been used for a wide range of applications, from creating chatbots and personal assistants to writing articles and generating computer code. Number 5. Additionally, ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to specific domains, such as finance or healthcare, to provide more accurate responses for specific industries. Finally, ChatGPT is constantly evolving and improving. OpenAI releases new versions of the model regularly, each one with even more impressive capabilities than the last. And there you have it, some lesser-known facts about ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech-related content.